Hello students, how are you? I hope you all will be safe and healthy. I am your science teacher Rekha Verma. Today I will teach you standard 9, the fundamental unit of life. So let's start. Introduction. Cell is the structural and functional unit of life. It is the basic unit of life. It is discovered by Robert Hooke in 1831 in cork slice with the help of primitive microscope. Lewin Hooke 1674 discovered the free living cells in pond water with the improved microscope. Robert Brown discovered the nucleus in the cell in 1831. Purkinje coined the term protoplasm for the fluid substance of the cell in 1839. Now, the cell theory. The theory that all the plants and animals are composed of cell and the cell is the basic unit of life was presented by two biologists, Sidlen and Szewan. The cell theory was further expanded by the Virchow by suggesting that all cells arise from pre-existing cells. Types of organism. On the basis of number of cells, organisms are of two types: unicellular organism and multicellular organism. Unicellular organism. These organisms are single-celled which perform all the functions. Example: amoeba, paramecium, bacteria. Multicellular organism. Many cells group together to perform different functions in the body and also form various body parts. Example: fungi, plants and animals. The shapes and size of cells are different according to the kind of function they perform. There is a division of labor in cells. Each cell has certain kind of cell organelles to perform different types of function like mitochondria for respiration. Types of cell. There are two types of cell, prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Prokaryote cells of organism lacks nuclear membrane. Eukaryote cells of organism have nuclear membrane. Prokaryotes nucleus is absent. Eukaryotes nucleus is present. Prokaryotes single chromosomes. Eukaryotes single or multi chromosomes. Prokaryotes reproduction is always asexual. Eukaryotes reproduction is both sexual and asexual. Prokaryotes always unicellular. Eukaryotes often multicellular. Prokaryotes membrane bound cell organelles are absent. In eukaryotes, membrane bound organelles are present like mitochondria. In prokaryotes, centriole is absent. In eukaryotes, centriole is present only in animal cell. Prokaryotes cell division is by binary fission. Eukaryotes cell division is by mitosis or meiosis. Prokaryotes example: bacteria, blue-green algae, etc. In eukaryotes example: fungi, plant cells, animal cell, etc. Differences between animal cell and plant cell. You can see the structure of animal cell. There are plasma membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus and different cell organelles. They perform different specific function in the cell. Animal cell wall is absent. Plant cell wall is present. In animal cell, plastids are absent. In plant cell, plastids are present. In animal cells, centrioles are present and plant cell centrioles are absent. Animal cell Golgi bodies are present and in plant cell Golgi bodies are present and called lacteosome. Vacuoles are present. If present, they are small in animal cell. In plant cell, vacuoles are present and large in size. In animal cell, centrosome is present with the one or two centrioles, and in plant cells, centrosome is absent. Here is the structure of plant cell. You can see the different type of organelles which perform different work in the plant cell. Now diffusion. Diffusion, the spontaneous movement of a substance from a region of high concentration to the region of low concentration is called diffusion. Some substances like carbon dioxide or oxygen can move across the cell membrane by a process called diffusion. Cell also obtains nutrition from the environment. Osmosis, the movement of water molecules through selectively permeable membrane along the concentration gradient is called osmosis. Plant cells tend to obtain water through osmosis. Hypotonic, hypertonic or isotonic solution. What happens to cell in sugar or salt solution? Name of the solution, condition and result. Hypotonic solution. Medium surrounding cell has higher water concentration than cell. Result, cell will gain water by osmosis and likely to swell up. Isotonic solution. Medium has exactly same water concentration as the cell. Result, water crosses the cell membrane in a both direction. Cell will stay the same size. Hypertonic solution. Medium has lower concentration of water than the cell. Water crosses the cell in the both direction, but more water leaves the cell than enters it. I hope you understand. In this chapter, I will continue the next point with the next video.